yung baliw, kawawa yung baliw guys is tulungan ko guys, bigyan ko ng berya guys. Tingnan mo guys, tulungan ko guys kasi kawawa naman yan guys. Kawawa naman to guys bigyan ko guys itong babae na paupo guys, parang gutom yata yan. Tulungan ko guys. Guys, ate, ito guys, kawawa na guys. Pambili mo yan guys, kawawa guys. Tulungan ko lang guys, pambili, wala pagkain guys. Pabalik na ako sa pwesto ko guys. Ayan guys, kawawa yun guys. Hindi natin alam kung nabinat ba o ano, nagutuman. Kawawa naman yun guys. Maraming salamat guys. Nandito na guys.